Welcome to DB Overland, and welcome to day 3 of the tag-along tour. We just had a fantastic night camping at the Red Gulch Dinosaur Track site, and for today's adventure, we will be making our way over to the Hell's Kitchen location. Then we will be making our way up onto John Blue Road, where we will be visiting Armpit Ghost Town and the Horse Thief Cave. After leaving camp, we made a stop in Grable, Wyoming to restock and refuel our vehicles before continuing on today's adventure. Welcome to the Devil's Kitchen. This geological wonder is so amazing, and it gives you an out-of-world experience. And speaking of outer world, doesn't this place remind you of that movie Starship Troopers? Which they did film in Wyoming, but not at this location. After admiring the Devil's Kitchen and feeling like we were on a different planet, our adventure continued north on the Crystal Creek Road, which would lead us to Highway 14A. Alright, up here we are going to be taking a left. We just turned off Highway 14A onto John Blue Road. We all decided to get out and stretch our legs for a few minutes, and some of us decided to air down our tires as well, because the next leg of the journey was going to be a little bit more rougher and a little bit more off-road versus the county roads that we've been on so far for the day. The John Blue Road is an amazing road to travel, and it will be taking us up onto a high plateau bench nestled up against the Bighorn Mountains, where we will be visiting Armpit City and Horse Thief Cave. Yesterday evening in camp, we all watched as a giant storm front slowly drifted past us, and we were wondering where that storm was going to be heading, and it looks like it ended up in this place last night. mining town of Armpit. From 1955 to 1970, this little booming mining town used to mine uranium. Yep, you heard me, uranium ore. Wyoming, still to this day, has the largest resources of uranium ore in all of the United States. The uranium mined from locations like this was used for the atomic age and used for powering the nuclear power plants. And when the price of uranium dropped in the 1980s, these towns quickly became ghost towns. With the high winds from last night's storm keeping us all up, we all decided that we would shut down early for the day and enjoy this amazing scenery and the views from Armpit City. And tomorrow we will pick up, continuing our adventure over to the Horse Thief Cave and Hell's Canyon. Welcome to day 4 of the Tag-Along Tour. We woke up to a beautiful morning. The sun was out, it was clear skies, and as we were getting ready, the sun was warming our faces, and even Girl and the pup Bean decided to entertain us with some fun play as we were all getting ready for the day.
He's got a heck of a nose of him.
Don't take, he's going, he's talking crap on me.
Whoa.
She steps on the leash once in a while. It's like, ah. That's not fair.
I think that's why he runs behind the wheel.
Like, how did you choke me like that? You weren't even close. She's strong in the force.
Yeah, really.
From Armpit, it was only about a 10-minute drive to the Horse Thief Cave. Welcome to Horse Thief Cave. You may wonder how the cave acquired its name. Well, it was used in the late 1800s and the early 1900s by horse hustlers. Its semi-hidden location offered a convenient place for the thieves to hide huge animals. Plus, lookouts stationed near the cave could easily see when someone was approaching their hideout. The entire cave system has more than 20 miles of passages that have been explored, and countless more to be discovered. Come join us as we explore only a fraction of the cave's network system.
Hang on, Rose. We're going down. You said you've gone far enough. I have. I know my limitations.
Did you look up?
Yeah, I was looking at all that. Oh, that's cool right there. I hadn't seen that. I was thinking how the rock, that big huge rock, must have fallen from right in there
Right?
some time ago. Look at the perfectly drilled hole right there. I wonder why.
I don't know. Good question.
Oh, there's something green right there. I think it's marked.
Yeah.
I must get the music just giving me hell. I don't think I should do this.
That's okay. Mandy did go up to the truck, so.
Okay. Is that as far as you can go? What the hell is that? Looks like a snake looking thing. I know it's not, but it's like,
Oh,
what the
yeah.
hell is that?
Like a stick or something.
Yeah.
Huh.
I'll probably sit here for a few minutes and I'll.
Head back. Okay.
I'm letting you go.
It is a little hard on the knees.
It's right down there. Is that a great big hole right there?
Yep, it is.
Okay.
Where did they, the last time I was here, they had this, gated?
Yeah, it's farther back.
Oh, okay.
It's farther back.
You doing, Rose? Can you see in the dark, Rose? You don't have a flashlight. We should have put your collar on and turned it on.
You need help?
Nope, I'm moving forward, I'm going.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
There's a part where up there if you go to the left it's easier. I think it's the way Rose is going actually.
I can't remember where we went, Kobe. I think
We like stopped where Dick
stopped
is.
right there, yeah.
'Cause, I haven't been over here yet. Except for like maybe 2 minutes ago. Notice if you do this it gets brighter.
Right?
There's a beer can down there.
Oh, okay.
But I'm not gonna try to get it because it's hard to reach.
Okay, good. If you look at the end of the corridor, you'll just make out John and Patrick. And shortly beyond them is a locked gate. So in order to be able to travel the entire cave network system, you have to gain permission from the Forest Service.
That is amazing, though.
It is. From here, our adventure is going to continue down the trail for another 15 minutes to the Devil's Canyon, where we will be finishing our trip out for this year's tag-along tour. Welcome to the Devil's Canyon. This geological wonder is part of the Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. And if you were to see this canyon from the other side, this is what it would look like. Some people say this is the secret Grand Canyon of Wyoming. And it was such a wonderful way to finish off DB Overland's tag-along tour with the group being curious and exploring the cliff's edge, while some of us decided to hold back and just take some nice, memorable photos. It was such a privilege to share this amazing event with my family and with everybody who signed up for DB Overland's very first tag-along tour. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who showed, and I'm looking forward to next year's tag-along tour Until then, we'll see you out on the trail.